So yeah guys, my name is Kumar, you are watching me. Let's start to screen video without having the further delay. So basically this video is going to be the routine of 7th June 2025, right? And today is Saturday, right? So basically in this video I'm going to share you like what is actually happened in my today's routine video, right? And what is actually not happened, right? So let's start today's routine video, right? So today, first of all, I wake up, and this video is going to be the routine of the 549th days of routine video, right? So let's start. So today, first of all, I wake up, then after that I washed my mouth, right? Then after that I had taken the bath, then after that I wore clothes, right? Then after that I washed it. Then after that I talked to my sister, right? And after that I ate food with rice and arbi sabji, right? I don't know what we call arbi in English, right? Then after that I talked to my mother. Then after that I ate food with my mother, right? Then as well as I talked to my sister, right? Yes, guys. After some time later, I went to the terrace and I came, and at the time of evening I ate food, and also I wrote previous days of routine video. Then after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what has actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos it really motivates me and encourage me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner, right? So yes guys, this is the thing what has actually happened. Now I'm gonna to revise where I have a doubt. I'm again trying to solve that, right? In the entry is not matching both sides, right? I'm doing in notes there is some mistake, I think that maybe. So basically the application amount, okay. So bank account application money what we have actually received 20,000 multiply by 3 application money, that is 60,000, right? 2 share capital account 10,000 multiplied by 3 face value 30,000. 2 doing some mistake, what is I am forgetting? Okay, understood what I was doing mistake. This should be bank account debit to share application amount 20,000 multiplied by 3, right? So here is I have done a mistake, so let me correct it. Basically I have written it here, bank on debit to share capital account 10,000 multiplied by 3, right? So when we will pass the entry of share capital, this is also a doubt. Okay, doing I am such a big mistake. Solved. Now understood totally. I required one blue pen. So I'm so in I have written to share capital account instead of share application account to the first entry. First entry is for bank account debit to share application amount account, right? But I had written bank account debit to share capital account. That was a mistake, right? Then in the second entry we have to pass share capital account. That is second entry is share application amount account debit to share capital account. So in first entry bank account debit to share application account, that is 20,000 multiplied by 3, that is 60,000, right? Now to share application account debit 60,000 to share capital account. Now face value is 10,000 multiplied by 3, that is the face value. 10,000 multiplied by 3, 30,000. To bank account 5,000 is rejected, so 5,000 multiplied by 3, that is 15,000. And to share allotment account, which is excess amount, will be adjusted to the second entry, that is 15,000, right? Now the third entry is share allotment account debit to share capital account 40,000, 40,000, and fourth entry is bank account debit to 25,000 to share allotment account 25,000, right? And the fifth and sixth entry as will be same, right, as we usually do, right? So yes guys, this is the oversubscription case what we have done today. Now I'm gonna to discuss about the pro rata calculation of applied or allotted shares, right? So first is calculation of total number of shares applied. Okay, so first is total shares applied under pro rata category, right? Total shares applied. So basically calculation of total number of shares applied. So okay, so we have to calculate how many shares actually applied, right? So how can we calculate? The formula is total shares applied under pro rata category divided by total shares allotted under pro rata category multiplied by number of shares allotted to shareholder. Now second is calculation of total number of shares allotted, right? So formula is total shares allotted under pro rata category divided by total shares applied under pro rata category and multiplied by number of shares applied by shareholder. So when we have to calculate total number of shares applied, just a second guys. When we have to calculate total number of shares applied, how many shares applied? So the thing what we have to determine, so we have to write in the numerator total shares applied under pro rata category, maybe I think so, divided by total shares allotted under pro rata category multiplied by number of shares allotted to shareholder. Denominator multiply by denominator. There is some thing, right? In the denominator we have to write total shares allotted under pro rata category multiply by number of shares allotted to shareholder, right? Now when we have to calculate total number of shares allotted, right, then we have to find, so we will write it to the numerator total shares allotted under pro rata category divided by total shares applied under pro rata category multiply by number of shares applied by shareholder, right? So this is the thing what is actually till yet what we have to do. So now basically upcoming videos I would like to discuss the topic issue of shares for consideration other than cash, right? So this is the topic what will I discuss after this video. That means I will discuss issue of shares for consideration other than cash to the upcoming videos, right? So yes guys, this is a thing what is actually happened today. So till yet which topic we have discussed. So we have discussed the what is share, right? So what is share, right? And features of company, types of company, right? Company limited by guarantee, company limited by shares, 1% company, share, equity share, preference share, types of preference shares, cumulative or non-cumulative, participating or non-participating, convertible or non-convertible, redeemable or irredeemable. Now we have done basic concept, face value, issue price, issue of shares in lump sum, issue of shares in installment, important points to remember, right? Also accounting journal, basic journal, right? Basic conceptual example we have done. Also oversubscription of share, right? And pro rata calculation of applied and allotted share. So yes guys, till yet what is actually happened. So I think that it is enough for today. So let's end the video guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.